Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. We got a exciting recipe, another amazing recipe coming at you today. And you're just gonna have to stick around to see. I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I'm excited though. My friend Robert Ortiz, he's the drummer from Escape to Fate. He sent me my stuff. It's their new vinyl release, signed. Couple CDs, some old school with Ronnie, and some This War Is Ours. I'm psyched. You know what the bummer is? I can't use it in my videos. Copy claims. It's crazy. But I had to show you guys that. I love Robert to death. He's a good friend of mine, and we're going to get right to this recipe. We're doing sausage stuffed Hungarian hot peppers. Stuffed with hot sausage. Alright, so we got 2 cans of sauce, because you want at least 2 cups of sauce with this. And I threw a little Romano in there, of course, to thicken it up. Alright, with our sausage, I got about 1.5 pounds there. Probably going to have some extra. But I'm going to throw 1 egg in there. And we're going to do about 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. You know that's panko breadcrumbs. It's made out of Japanese bread. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. I think it's pretty cool. Alright, so we got our breadcrumbs in there. Our egg. Gonna go ahead. I got the little baby knife, so this one's not as sharp as the big one, but we'll see how it goes. Gotta have a little onion in your sausage. Look, he's trying to escape that onion. It's like, no, I don't want to go. But he's gonna go anyway. Alright, well, chop these up a little more. Good to be back with you guys. I know it's really late tonight, but I'm not gonna post this video until later in the week. Because my cameraman, he's taking a little trip. Again. You know. Alright, so I'm going to throw my onion in there. Oh, look at that. Oven's already preheated. Look, there's a scavenger. He's trying to escape still. These jalapenos, these are for a little later. I might need my big sharp knife for this one, buddy. That's alright. It's working just fine. I've already taken the seeds out. Yeah, that's where all the heat is, though. But like I said, this is for later, towards the end of the recipe. So you just have to stick around, see what we do with these. We like being here with you guys. You guys are awesome. Here, let's see how hot it is. We're good. Not very hot on that jalapeno. Alright. So we got our sausage there. I'm going to throw a teaspoon of garlic. Not a lot of salt. Sausage is salty. I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of salt in there. And I'm going to throw just a splash in the sausage itself. Alright, I'm going to use some Italian seasoning. Teaspoon. Teaspoon in the sauce. And of course, pepper. Why not? I like pepper. About 1/2 teaspoon. Don't breathe that stuff, Gunchy. It'll get you. A little pepper in the sausage. I'm going to kick it up another notch. You know, Reaper's all about kicking it up. Teaspoon of pepper flakes. Teaspoon of pepper flakes. You guys can omit those if you want. But if you like heat, leave them in there, guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. I already broke the stems off. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the end off. Alright, and then see which way it's going to lay. We're just going to slice right down through. Alright, I don't want it to break, so I'm going to be careful. And guys, you might want to use gloves for this. Reaper, I really don't use gloves. But, slice down the pepper. Go ahead and take the back off. Gently pry the pepper open. Just put your finger in there and pull it out. All right. Well, that's a start on those. I'll do those other three there. But I'm going to go ahead and mix up this sausage. All right. And if you want to hand me my wooden spoon, buddy, that would be awesome. Thank you. We're going to get this all incorporated. Now you notice I didn't put any tomato paste in there because I don't want it real super thick. The Romano is going to make it thick enough. Alright? I'm going to take about a half a cup of this sauce. I'm just going to throw it right into the meat. Alright? Now here comes the messy part. I got some paper towels. I'm going to go ahead and get this all mixed up, guys. Egg and all. Breadcrumbs, awesome. Alright. And if it's too moist, you can always add more breadcrumbs. If it's not moist enough, add more sauce. But the sauce is going to give the sausage that little bit of flavor that you get with like stuffed green peppers, things like that. See, I'm getting it all squished around, mixed together real good. Alright. Got our onions in there. Man, it smells good, guys. Even though raw sausage is bleh. Alright. Got my pan already over here. Sprayed with some cooking oil. Got our oven preheated already at 375. We're going to go ahead and stuff these peppers. Try to be gentle because you want it all the way down in the nose. And I didn't have a lot of peppers. They weren't really looking all that good at the store, so I can only get a few that I actually liked. Keep them up, guys. Overfill them because the sausage is going to shrink. All right? But just be gentle because you don't want to break the pepper. All right? Now I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these filled. And we'll be back with you in a little bit. I even stuffed one of the jalapenos. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour the sauce right in here. I think I mentioned, but I did already spray the stuff in my pan for easier cleanup. All right, so we got them stuffed. Let's go ahead and cover these babies with some foil. And we're gonna put them in the oven for about 40 minutes. I'm going to take it out in about a half hour. All right, guys? See you in a little bit. Ciao. Now, they've been in the oven for about 35 minutes. Now we're just going to throw some Monterey pepper jack over top of these. All right. Now, this is what we needed a jalapeno for. All right, now we're going to throw this back in the oven.
For 10 minutes?
Yeah, for about 10 minutes. Or until it's bubbly and melty. All right. We'll be back. Get these plated up, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome back. There you have it. These are the Reaper's Flaming Torpedoes. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit of basil right over top of those. But guys, don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications so you know when you're going to get another awesome recipe. But I'd like to thank you for being with us again. Me and Gunchy, we love you guys. God bless. We'll see you next time.